Okay. I should be live. Okay, let's see how this sounds. Okay, let's see how this sounds. Okay. So yeah, I'm not going to be doing much talking until I actually get someone in the stream. Sounds good. Yeah, I have no reason to really say much until we have people actually here. 1 second. And let me know if the audio is okay and everything, because I have no idea. Just getting some last minute things. Still me. Okay. Yeah, how does it say I have 0 viewers? I'm literally watching my own stream. There we go. I should actually probably move my webcam to the top right. There I am. Okay. That probably looks good. I think we're about all set to get started. Very excited to be working on this, in case you could not tell. I'm going to restart the audio, the music. It's still me. That's all good. And what would be useful? Multiple monitors, but I don't feel like setting it up today. So instead, can it just be working how we are? I just gotta double check that this is public. Development stream. Yeah, there it is. Very nice. I guess I'm just gonna work until somebody joins. Oh, wait. Okay, all is good. Okay, well, let's get started. And all good. Wait. There we go. I got a lot of stuff I need to do to get the reveal ready, which, I mean, it doesn't make much sense to be having a reveal after the development stream, but I was like, hey, what the heck, let's do it anyway. So, let's get started. Sure is lonely here. Okay. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff we're doing. Where to start? Actually, yeah, I know where we're gonna start. Once you join, I'll give an explanation of what I'm doing right now. I'm not doing that while nobody's here. That makes no sense. There we are. Okay, now we're going to move over to Sublime, which is where we're doing the coding, in case you did not already know. Let's keep at it. And if somebody eventually does join, please let me know in the chat, so I know that you're here. Okay. Okay. This is requiring some big thinking on my part. Okay. Okay. Transfer state. Okay. Completely forgot to give it a value. 0. Here we go. Still cheese. Okay, that's acceptable. This is my first stream. One. While transfer state is equal to 1. Yeah. Gosh, I forgot how to use timers. Oh, I know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna instead take this. This probably isn't how I'm supposed to be doing this, but I'm doing it anyway. Say screw it. No, wait. 1. Transfer state. Equal to 1. Wait. How long are we going to give them to escape? 5 seconds sounds good. Transfer state equals. They get transferred, they go to transfer state 2. I keep forgetting where to look. I'll get used to it eventually though. Okay. still just me. If I get at least one viewer this entire stream, I will be happy. That's the goal. Okay. There we go. Okay. No. Still the only one here. 5.001 seconds, because that's almost instantly. It's as good as I'm gonna get. I just realized I'm probably gonna have to. Probably should move this up there. Yeah, I will, but we'll get to that. You know what, while we're here, we should just export that. Pile and light that. Get that going. And just take this all right up here. Oh, Stanley, welcome. How am I doing? I'm doing great. So you can tell I'm streaming, because why not? Wait a second. Here we go. You're now a moderator, because why not? You know what? Do you want to see what I have so far? Like, I could show you what's working. Yeah, let's do that. There we go. Yeah, I could build this and then share it. Yeah, would you like to see that? I'll do it anyway. Just be clear, you can hear me fine, right? You know, how are you doing, Stanley? I never asked how you were doing. Like, just what's up on this wonderful Saturday? Oh God, has Stanley left? Of course, the music goes sad just then. Oh. No, I think Stanley left. What? Okay. Taking a while to process. Yeah, there's an error in while one. You have to check that out. I can give you a rundown of what's going on if you would like. Oh no, Stanley's left. Okay. Well, we may as well keep working. Where did it say the error was? Line 83. What's wrong with line 83? You have a problem with line 83? Oh, I put a semicolon there. Should not do that. You see, that's all it takes. Oh. How about now? Is this better? I don't have like a microphone like plugged in, so it's using the audio like from like the webcam. So it's not that high quality. Oh. Okay, this is as loud as I could put it without plugging in like a how can I make this louder? I really don't know. Well, I really don't know. I guess I'm just gonna have to stream like this. Okay, great. Okay, so I'll just give you a rundown of what's happening. So I'm gonna show you in Radiant because that's the best way I can show it. I'm gonna bring Radiant up there. Wait, there you go. Okay. So right now, like, I'm working on a mechanic where... Okay, Stanley, I knew I'm gonna have to tell you this sometime, but the map is based on Changed, your favorite game. Your absolute favorite. And so right now I'm working on, in this little vent area, if you go here, this monster will attack you, and it'll bring you to this area where you'll have to spam F or X to like break free of it, and so that's what I'm currently hoping to get working. So it's going to require a lot of coding, and that's mostly it. Right now it's giving me an error, so I'm going to have to... Yeah. So I'm going to have to work on that. Okay, so it's saying that there's an... Yeah. So I'm going to quickly resolve this error so that we can get it in-game, just so you can see what's up, like, see what's going on. It says, uninitialized local variable transfer state. I could have sworn I initialized it. Well, let's see. Transfer state. Oh, okay, I see what's wrong. That's an easy fix. See, I'm trying to call a variable before I've made it. And that simply cannot be done. So I'm going to go all the way up here and make it so it's like practically the first thing that happens. Okay. Also, if you have any music requests, let me know. Simple as that. Okay, so there you go. We're building it, and let's see if it gives me any errors. And if it doesn't give me any errors, it should open Black Ops 3 right away. There's always the most boring part of map making is just waiting for everything to build so you can... Oh my gosh, it's still giving me an error. An initialized local variable transfer state. I'm gonna have to double check. Am I doing this wrong? I shouldn't be. I've done this many times before. Oh. Oh my gosh, is this... This is how coding is. Okay, let's give it another go. You just keep trying over and over again until it works, and hopefully it works soon. Because I really want to show you what I'm working on. You're gonna love it. Okay, I don't know what's happening. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna comment everything out so that we don't have to deal with it for now. So I can just show you what we have and then we'll start working from there. Because I'm working on some really ambitious stuff. Yeah, anti-pog. Exactly. Okay, well, let's work with what we have. I keep forgetting to change like what views on top of each other because yeah, for some reason when I tried to make it so that it's sharing my entire screen, that it's just not working. It's just showing black screen. So I'm instead have to share each window individually. And so whenever I pull something up, I have to show that I'm changing it. But I'm making it work. And this is why we have the music, so that it's not terrible. Oh, and in case you're wondering, I'm using Streamlabs OBS because... I don't know, because it was the first one it looked good. It's as simple as that. Okay, good. No errors, so that means we get to open up Black Ops 3. And so it should just automatically bring that up to the top. Also, I haven't put in the music yet, so it's just going to be the default, the giant music, and the players are going to be the giant, Zombie Miles the giant. Yeah, a lot of default the giant, because that's how Black Ops 3 is. Yeah, this might take like another 20 seconds before it opens. Oh, there it is. Interesting. Can you see the game? Because it should be open. And it doesn't show that it's sharing the game, so... Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. So I just want to double check that everything is showing properly. while it loads the map. It might be a little laggy because I got a lot of stuff open, but the point is to make sure it works well. Okay. It's still loading, so it's still black screen, because it's loading directly the map. It's not like we're loading up the main screen, then we have to select the map, and then the map loads. Like, it's just going straight to the map. Okay, there we are. Here I am. Oh, also, as you can tell, I got custom HUDs working, so that is awesome. Okay, it looks like it's working. Yeah. You can see this, right? Yeah, and it's very laggy. I'm just going to turn down the textures a little bit. Like, once the game actually releases, it's not going to be this laggy. It's just that I have a lot open. There's a... 1 second. Sorry about that. Yeah, this isn't what the HUD's going to look like in the end. It's just temporary, just to show that I can do it. So, as you can tell, I got this working. It's vent, opening and closing. Very simple, but not everybody would know how to do that. Okay, so here's where it gets fancy. It'll take me and teleport me. And it's as simple as that. Now, I've got nothing further than that point, so like there's no way to get back as of now without using no clip. And so, yeah, it's working fine. It's just that we got to add more. Oh, and also, notice when I jump, I go higher than normal. That's something that you'll have to wait and see what's up with that. Yeah. Just for the fun of it, I'm just going to wreck some zombies because that helps keep the stream interesting. Haha. Get wrecked with the interdimensional _ gun. Okay, well, we're done here, so we can get back to actual work. So we're going to / quit that. Okay, we're back here. So that was lovely, but we gotta add more. We must go deeper. Okay, so now we gotta see why it's not accepting the variable. Maybe I'm just setting it wrong. Okay, let's see how we set other variables. We did gosh, so much code. Okay, you see, level.isVentOpen equals false. That's how we called another one. So how are we trying to call this? Level.transferState equals 1. What? Should be completely fine. Yeah, ID gun. Don't worry, it won't be in the actual map. It's not gonna, we're not gonna do that. Oh, wait. Keep forgetting to do that. So that you can see that it's processing. Okay, it's taking a while, so that implies that it's not gonna work, but come on. Also, thanks Stanley just for showing up. Like, you're here. That's nice. Okay, and it worked. Awesome. So yeah, just thanks for showing up, saying stuff. That means a lot to me. Like, yeah. Okay, let's get this back to the top. Okay, now it's working, and it should hopefully just allow us to use the variable as we were trying to use it before. Oh, wait. Whatever. That's how I feel about a lot of things. Like, if it works, don't question it. That's one fact of life. If it works, don't question it. So let's see. Let's get all this uncommented so we can work with it. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, stay as long as you like. I'm going to be streaming for a bit longer, regardless. So yeah. Let's get that up there. Okay. So many tabs. Okay, let's link that. You know, while it's linking, we could be working on coding too. Assuming it doesn't give me an error. Can you hear the music? It's probably very quiet by comparison now that I think of it. Let's see. Oh geez, that is really quiet. Okay, better. If I'm correct, then you should be barely able to hear it. And I can't make it much louder. What? It gave me an error, bruh. Okay, can you hear it? Like at all? It's a little... Okay. So it's giving me another error saying it hasn't been initialized yet, which it has, but line 87. So let's take a stroll down to line 87. I really like that it tells me where the error is, rather than me having to search for it. Some programs I've worked with. Okay, yeah, just barely. That's acceptable. Line 87, let's go there. Did I just spell it wrong? Right, so that I can't spell it wrong, I'm literally going to copy and paste it. It's copied and pasted. No, it is exactly the same. Yeah, it's even showing that it's the same. Maybe this just isn't a good place to put a while loop. Yeah, it's probably a bad idea. Let's get that out of there. Let's link that, see if it links properly. There we go. Please, no errors. Please. Even though there's always a very good chance that there is. I wonder if there's something like... Oh! And... there we go, okay. No errors, so that means we could continue. Right. There. I don't want to put it above my face cam. Okay. So essentially what we're trying to do is trying to get an image to move back and forth, like in view and out of view, like while you're trying to break free from the monster. And like you have to spam X, so I'm gonna need like multiple whiles and a timer and yeah. Fun. I'll I wonder if we could have multiple while loops within the same function being called multiple times. You know what? There's only one way to find out, and that's by doing it. Frame one. You know what? I don't need Radiant open right now. We're not working with Radiant, so I'll close it, and maybe it'll make things a little less laggy. Okay. Okay. Frame 1, move Z. 5. 0.001 seems almost instant, right? Like 0.001 seconds is nothing, right? Right. Wait. 0.5. And now we're going to use our good old friend copy and paste. Negative. 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 Okay, and wait 0.5. Actually, wait, I just realized I don't even need to type it a dozen times if it's in a while. So... Actually, never mind now. Oh, sorry, I have to stop the stream now. I know it's a bit abrupt, but